Hi everyone, and welcome to 9074 Byrom Campbell Road here in Pace, Florida. We are in the 32571 today. I am standing on the street and very few cars have passed. It is very peaceful out here. Definitely feeling like we are in the country, but we are in Pace, close to Pensacola, close to the interstate, just off Chumuckla Highway. This is a fabulous home I'm going to show you today, inside and out. It is a 2019 build, so 6-year-old HVAC and water heater, as well as roof, 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and sitting over 2,600 square feet. You've got nice mature landscaping, a great lawn, and you do have a fully fenced property. Lots of parking, boat and RV are acceptable here. There is no HOA. And then you do have the fully fenced backyard, so if you needed to pull it into the backyard, that is also an option. 2-car garage entrance on the side of the house, and fabulous curb appeal with this landscaping. So let's get inside and take a look at all the character this home has to offer. Being greeted by this beautiful archway and welcoming front porch. Coming inside, you immediately notice the exposed brick. It just gives the home so much character, such a welcoming vibe. You've got your entryway here. And immediately to your right, you will have your formal dining room. And we see more of the exposed brick there. You've got a little archway leading directly into the kitchen and a large window to brighten up the space, allowing natural light to come in. To your left, you do have these nice French doors. This is one of the 5 bedrooms. Closet is behind those curtains. This family is using it as an office, as that is what best fits their needs. Equipped with a ceiling fan. And you do have this beautiful wood look tile throughout the home, as well as carpet in the living room and the bedrooms. Got nice high ceilings throughout. Tray ceiling there. So you've got a nice expansive living room. You've got a hallway with 2 bedrooms that way, and we'll get to that. The living room is open to the kitchen, but not too much. It has a great flow. You've got granite countertops in here, breakfast bar, beautiful LED lighting, recessed lighting. This home feels very bright. Got granite countertops, white shaker cabinetry, as well as stainless steel appliances. Dishwasher there with your large double sink overlooking the living room. So if you wanted to be involved, you could. It's very open. Also have a nice walk-in pantry here. And this brings us right back to that formal dining room. Okay. Moving on to this flex space back here, there's lots of options. Once again, we have these nice high ceilings, direct access to the backyard through these double doors. And they are using this as a sitting area on one side, with the office on the other side. So you've got that tile throughout, which is great because there is a pool out back. So coming in and out, easy cleanup. I'll take you outside. This backyard has everything you could possibly want. Here you've got a nice screened in porch with an outdoor kitchen. A TV mount there. Granite countertops, a sink, storage area underneath, and a mini fridge. So more than enough room for a dining table as well as a sitting area. This home does sit on 1 acre, and it goes back to that privacy fence there. So multiple fenced in areas. We've got the saltwater in-ground pool here with the pool sprinklers. concrete around, built-in bar, seating, entertaining. A garden area. Once again, nice, luscious grass. Do have this separate fenced-in area back here. This would be great for animals, dogs, chickens, horses, anything that you might need a partition from. Do also have a half basketball court. This is regulation, up to regulation. Equipped with this special basketball flooring. There is concrete underneath. And then a fire pit back there. So you've got a pool, a basketball court, a fire pit, a bar, a garden, and a detached garage. You've got I believe it's a 10-foot bay door, roll-up door, and this is 400 square feet. With ceiling fans, even the outdoor garage has character. So plenty of space for extra storage here in the detached garage. This is a fabulous backyard. It feels very quiet out here, as once again, we're a little bit out in the country. But let's get you inside and take a look at the rest of the bedrooms. And one last view of this oasis. Coming back inside, you can see how well this flex space rolls into the main living area. The primary bedroom in this home is split, so you have privacy from the other 4 bedrooms. Carpet once again. Nice tray ceiling. Ensuite primary bathroom does have a linen closet, a deep walk-in closet to your left here. Got separate vanities, so you have your space, white cabinetry, granite countertops. Got this nice bright window, etched for privacy above the freestanding tub, and the other vanity here on this side. The shower is fully tiled standing shower and does feature dual heads, one on each side. Definitely a spa-like experience with that, as well as the rain head above. 2 linen closets, as well as a walk-in closet here. Directly across from there is the laundry room, which has cabinetry for extra storage, as well as access to the garage, which is equipped with gym flooring. This is a 2-car garage. Plenty of space. Let me take you to the other side of the home, which has the other bedrooms. They each have their own hallway, which is great for guests, kids. It's nice to have a little bit of privacy. 2nd bedroom, 3rd bedroom here. Got a window overlooking the backyard, ceiling fan. And closet there. The bathroom is right outside. Beautiful granite countertops, single vanity with storage underneath, and vanity lighting. There is a tub shower combo in here with a little window above, allowing some natural light to come in. Got beautiful tile work up that. And there is a linen closet behind the door for extra storage. Simple but mighty, it's got all you need. Coming back through the living room here, you do have a small coat closet there We've got 2 bedrooms with a full bathroom in between in this hallway. Carpet again in the bedrooms, ceiling fan, and double door closets there. Just across the way, very similar setup in this bedroom. Nice sized bedrooms. Single window, allowing some natural light to come in, ceiling fan, and carpet in here. Full bathroom in between. Single vanity, granite countertops, tub shower combo. Always nice when you have the kiddos if you need a tub, or for guests if they would prefer to shower. And another view of the living room here. Once again, guys, this is 9074 Byrom Campbell Road here in Pace, Florida. This home sits on 1 acre. It has a pool, 2019 build. This home has so much character inside and out and is move-in ready. So come check this one out, guys.